Hello and welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be looking at probability. Consider the question, find the probability of getting an even number when a fair die is thrown once. Now, a fair die has 6 sides. And these 6 sides are side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, the total number of obtainable sides are 6. The probability of getting an even number now will depend on the number of even sides. So, 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, and 6 is an even number. Therefore, it is possible to obtain 3 different even numbers. Therefore, probability of getting an even number is equal to 3 divided by the total number of sides, which is 6, and this gives us 3 here 1, 3 here is 2. Therefore, the answer is 1 over 2. Now, let's look at another question. A ball is picked from a bag that contains 6 green, 8 yellow, and 4 brown balls. What is the probability that the ball is green? Now, to calculate the probability of obtaining a green ball, we need to know the total number of balls. So let's check. There are 6 green balls, there are 8 yellow balls, and there are 4 brown balls. Meaning that the total number of balls is 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So the total number of balls is 18. So if there are 18 balls, the probability of getting a green ball will be equal to 6 divided by 18. Now 6 here is 1, 6 here is 3. Therefore the answer is 1 over 3. So I want you to try out this question. A tray of eggs contains 18 large-sized eggs and 12 small-sized eggs. An egg is selected at random. Find the probability of selecting a small-sized egg and write your answer in the comment section.